This is question number 4 from the May 2016 release version of the Algebra 1 STAAR test. It says function p is in the form of y equals ax squared plus c. If the value of a and c are both less than 0, which means a and c are negative, which graph could represent p? So let's start by looking at a. This is a quadratic function, also called a polynomial of degree 2, because the highest power of x is 2. Its graph is a parabola, and all 4 answer choices are parabola, so that doesn't help us knowing the shape of the graph. So let's start looking at a. So what a means, when it's less than 0, which means negative, it's going to cause it to reflect, the parent function to reflect downwards. The parent function looks like this here. It opens upwards. Its vertex is at the origin. So when our a is negative, it's going to reflect downwards as this answer choice J does. So we can automatically rule out answer G because it opens upwards. And let's go ahead and look at answer choice F. So when C is less than 0, that means it's going to be vertical translation down C units. Okay, so if you look here, here's the origin. This one has been a vertical translation up 1 unit, so that means C is positive. So its equation would look like y equals negative x squared plus 1. Okay, so our a equals negative 1, and our c equals positive 1. Okay, so this does not meet the the criteria that requires both a and c to be less than 0. Okay, so we can go ahead and rule out answer choice F. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at answer choice J. So which is basically a reflection across the x-axis from the parent function. Okay, its vertex is at the origin. It hasn't had any vertical translation up or down. So its equation is going to look like y equals negative x squared, and we could add plus 0, okay, which would just simplify it to negative x squared. So our a in this case would be negative 1, and our c value would be 0, which is not less than 0, so we need to rule out also answer choice J. So we're left with one choice, so let's take a look at the one remaining answer, and the vertex of this one is 0, negative 4, and this has been a vertical translation down 4 units. Also it's reflected downwards, so that means our a is negative, and both our c is negative, so this is the proper answer choice, and its equation is going to look like y equals negative x squared minus 4, and its a value is negative 1, and its c value is negative 4. Okay, so this answer choice H is going to be your proper answer for this one.